Everyone, this is the Samsung smartphone, and the problem with the loudspeaker sometimes work, sometimes not work, and this is the problem that always happen with the new Samsung model. Yes, and now we go to repair it, and also this phone has been repaired more time by other shop, and it never show the problem. Sometimes working only a few days and then return. Yes, this is the problem that we found. Yes, this pin of connector has been cracked, and sometimes it connect, sometimes it bad connect, and always when it's connect very well, the sound very well, and when it bad connect, the sound is so bad also. Yes, and the problem we can solve by resolder this pin. Yes, this is the best point that we need to repair the smartphone for new generation that they use very long connector. Yes, yeah, now we resolder it and it will working, and you can see the pin is always movable when I touch by the tweezers. Yes, this is the BGA core that I apply, and then I solder with the solder iron. Yes, and this is the BGA core that we use for reball the BGA IC, but now we use it to solder the pin of the connector. This is the correct point that we need to repair the Samsung, that sometimes we hear the sound from the big speaker, but sometimes no. Yes, let's go to see. I give you the music.